For commissioning the oven, there are also other features that further simplify the work for the installers. Go to Service as usual. You will find the new functions here. First, there is automatic calibration. This replaces the previous setting tasks. Simply read through the program from 1 to 7 and let it run. The oven will perform all the other settings fully automatically. The bake-out of the oven is also fully automatic. For optimum bake-out, a special program is stored where the burner heats up to predefined temperature ranges. The monitoring button shows all the program data. We had a rising rate of 10.3 degrees Celsius and a flow rate of 6 liters per minute. Now the rotation, in this case 11.2 seconds per revolution, is also displayed. The Pascal values of the baking chamber and the chimney are also shown. Commissioning. Go to Basic Commissioning. Enter the password and confirm by pressing the OK button. Enter your name and press the Start button. 3 green circles should appear at the end. As you can see, there are only 2 green and 1 red buttons visible at the moment. This is because we are reaching a heat output of 10.1 degrees Celsius instead of 10 degrees Celsius. However, 0.1 degrees Celsius is negligible here, therefore the commissioning is done.